Hello everyone, welcome to our channel DevOps Mantra, where we explore the latest and the greatest in artificial intelligence. So today we are going to talk about Chat GPT. Before I start with the video, let me quickly give you a walkthrough of the agenda. We'll be starting with the introduction of Chat GPT. What is Chat GPT? How much it costs you to use Chat GPT? Then some live examples of using Chat GPT. It could be doing your homework, it could be doing some coding, it could be doing content writing and much more. Followed by is it good to rely on the data provided by Chat GPT? And most importantly, what not to do with Chat GPT. Okay, let's get started with the video.
Before we talk about ChatGPT, it is important to understand what is generative AI. Simply, generative artificial intelligence that generates new content rather than simply analysis or acting on existing data. Perhaps in last few weeks, you might have heard about OpenAI's new product, ChatGPT. What is ChatGPT? The ChatGPT is an AI chatbot that interacts with the user in a conversational manner, allowing you to send questions and prompts in the same manner as you would to a human. Using an interface similar to Google search, ChatGPT can create jokes, make arguments, write code, stories, and much more. It is trending in Twitter and has a massive user base, 4 million in just 5 days, which is mind-blowing. Having launched on 30th November, it is important to know that it is not the first one in this domain. Before that, Microsoft has launched it in 2016, which causes subsequent controversy when the bot began to post inflammatory and offensive tweets to its Twitter account, causing Microsoft shut down the service only in 16 hours after its launch. Then there was a tool called Blender Bot, which was launched by Meta in May 2020. Although they are still working on the tool, they have come up with Blender Bot 3.
What makes ChatGPT different from other tools?
OpenAI is trying to avoid these things by employing modernization API that assist by when things go against their content policy, like illegal or unsafe information.
In a nutshell,
ChatGPT or Generative Pre-trained Transformer is a machine learning model that has been trained on massive amount of text data. Which allows it to generate human-like text responses to any prompt you give it. It's like having a virtual writing assistant at your fingertips. Let's talk about few questions and answer them. So how much does it cost to use Chat? During the initial research preview, Chat is free to use, but down the line there's a plan to get monetized. How one can navigate to ChatGPT? Browse OpenAI.com and click on the try button for ChatGPT. Once you click on that try button, it will ask to log in or sign up. If you have already an account with ChatGPT, click on login, else you can sign up and proceed further. Once you log in, it will pop up with few information like this is a free research preview. With this free research preview, they are trying to get external feedback in order to improve their system. Let's talk about more what are the applications of ChatGPT. How do I make an HTTP request in JavaScript? So ChatGPT will help you in getting the code and also will explain how to write that code. Let's talk about some examples to prove how much interactive it is. Famous YouTube channels in India, top 3. It will give you that list. Then if you wanted to get more information, like you can say add 3 more. As you can see, ChatGPT is not only capable of generating coherent and fluent text, but also able to understand context and continue a conversation as well as follow a specific style. Possibilities are endless with ChatGPT. It's already being used in variety of industries from marketing to entertainment. If you want to write a content also, you can get information. For example, for this video I need a description. It will give that information. I can just simply copy and paste this information so that to save my time to write that. In fact, you can do lot of stuff like doing the homework. For example, if you wanted to write an essay on something, you can do that, or maybe solve a maths problem. That can also be done. Along with that, it will provide you explanation. Help me in finding issues in the below code. You can paste your code and it will guide you what the mistake which you have made. You can even ask it to correct that. It will rewrite that code and will fix that issue for you. Now let's talk about some limitations of ChatGPT. The main problem of the information on internet. Unlike the Google, its own database to showcase results on any query. And the last updated information is in 2021, and it can occasionally reduce because of its limited knowledge of the world. So if you are searching something like who has won the election in 2022, you won't get that information. Most importantly, what not to do with ChatGPT. Do not share any sensitive information in your conversation because that conversation may be reviewed by their AI trainer to improve their system. That's it for today's video. We hope you found it informative and interesting. Don't forget to try ChatGPT for yourself and let us know what you think in the comment below.
Hope you have liked the video. Please do like and subscribe my channel.